This how I'm coming. Whole lot of Baggtalk Savage gang shit, nigga. Yeah. Real spill, I really do this shit, nigga. For real. We out here.
Extended clips and chopper sounds and make them skin to deal. Quarter rounds are blowing down their exit out his ear. Younger roofers told them to let's rock out like the Wesley. I'm a fiddler with some feelings, rhyme with lethal weapons. Savage gang, we on the 100, bitch, we stay chasing. Swerve through traffic with the ratchet like I'm Torrance at you. Send the blitz like John, man, don't do the cabin. Doggy dog, word don't leave the house without the ratchet. Send duck, you fucked up when I catch you lacking. Zip his body, talking more, he disappear like magic. That's dead ass and what it happened, clueless to the ashes. Smoke the gas and sip a syrup while I pop a perk. Knowing the pain ease my brain cause I don't feel the hurt. Tried to leave me in the dirt, expanding my worth. Phone jumping clientele, they fiending for the work. Bad bitch with a vibe, and she down to earth. Bust it down like a pound, then it's back to work. Real stuff will move silence when they catchin' bodies. Third round, I shoot my shot, call me Stephen Curry. In the trap like Fluke Stoves, tryna run the mill. On the road for the load of plug, throwing deals. Fulfill my craft and doing work while I'm on the pill. He talking sideways out his neck, little boy, he built a chill. Martin Luther King, I had a dream, my weapon weren't concealed. Born and raised in them trenches, shit get deep for real. Seen and heard a lot of shit, but I never squeal. I never sell my soul for a record deal. Ride my own way, surfing, headed to the M's. More shit, more time, spin the block and hit. Third round, spin out the blocks, my hollow dropping shit. These niggas thinking that they got shit, never kill shit. On probation, but I still flip the kill switch. More shit, more time, spin the block and hit. Third round, spin out the blocks, my hollow dropping shit. These niggas thinking that they got shit, never kill shit. On probation, but I still flip the kill switch. More shit, more time, spin the block and hit. Third round, spin out the blocks, my hollow dropping shit. These niggas thinking that they got shit, never kill shit. On probation, but I still flip the kill switch.